Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, with world reopening and travel resuming for various reasons, Germany is no doubt is one of the most popular countries. And when it comes to go to Germany for any purpose, lot of questions surface that what kind of visa we need, do we actually need a visa, if yes, what, and there's so much of discussion about it that I find all the time on social media. So of course people help, there are sites and all, but what I believe, again this is my personal suggestion and I want to clarify at this point that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So this video is based totally on my knowledge research, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. There is no legal advice available in this video, and whatever information I am going to show you is also available online. So guys, as you can see, in my opinion, the best way to look for the correct visa option is to look at the official site. So that is why I have opened Federal Foreign Office of the government of Germany. So here under this visa service and visa information, you have a visa navigator. So if you click on it and if you walk through it, then it is gonna give you all the details that you actually need. And you see there's a link, find out here. This opens a new page. Okay, so see they have now two categories: long-term stays, answer a few simple questions to find out which visa you need to relocate to Germany and settle there. Short term, if you want to travel to Germany for a period of up to 90 days for a visit as a tourist or business or for medical treatment, you will need a Schengen visa application. So you can go for whatever you are. So suppose you want to go to Germany for studies. Okay, let's say you want to do masters. Germany is again a very popular destination for studying. So definitely that means it comes under long term stays, because for short term is 90. So I'm going to click on quick check. What is your nationality? So let's say you somebody is applying from India. So then India. Now what you want to do in work, study, research, undergo vocational. Let's say study. If I select, this is asking have you been admitted to German university. Let's say yes, you have been accepted. Then at the bottom it is going to give you the detailed requirement. Study visa with that what are the things you need, where which form you need to fill up, photograph, supporting documents, and then where to book an appointment. So that's how it is, like simple thing. And similarly if you want to work for it, so this is gonna ask you like what is your highest degree or professional. Let's say you have a university degree. In which country you obtained, you selected other. It is asking whether you have completed the recognition. So then it is telling you like do this step. So based on your purpose, it is going to guide you throughout the process. If you select yes, your degree is recognized, it is asking do you have a job offer. Then it is telling you this, all the application form process. So this is a very good link where you can get the whole process walkthrough and everything. So I hope you're gonna like my efforts in this video, and if you like it, please click the subscribe button and then thanks for watching.